If you're a beginner to American Sign Language, you're probably wondering how to sign numbers. Knowing the ASL sign for numbers will help you talk about things like dates, times, prices, and age. Today, we're joining Eduardo's online class to learn how to count in sign language. Hey everyone, Maria here with Take Lessons Live, bringing you the latest language tips straight from our virtual classroom. ASL beginners will find this video super helpful, as our expert teacher Eduardo shows us how to sign numbers 1 through 10 and more. Keep watching to learn more basic sign language, and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest ASL content. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you in mastering counting in ASL. Don't forget to click the link in the description box below to access your free online sign language classes.